Welcome everybody to Ontario Motor Sales. Check out what we have for you today. This is a 2019 Mercedes-Benz C300 4Matic Premium. This is a beautiful luxury sport sedan right here at OMS. This has only 104,000 kilometers on it. Is a one-owner vehicle with no accident history. We are going to take you on a tour of this like you were here with us on the lot so you can see this beautiful car in person right from the comfort of your own home. Now, what is underneath the hood? We have a 2-liter, 4-cylinder, turbocharged engine connected to a 9-speed automatic transmission. And because it's 4Matic, that means it is all-wheel drive. So it's perfect for all of Ontario climates. And you can just see from the side profile of this vehicle, it is absolutely stunning. Let's take a look at these 18-inch AMG alloy wheels up front. Great looking wheels. You can see the AMG badge down here below. Yellow brake calipers and even cross-drilled rotors as well. So nice sport brake package. They look fantastic. We have LED turn signals in the mirrors, and everything on this Benz is blacked out. So there is no chrome on this. Nice, sleek, stealthy look. As we come around to the rear, great looking rear taillights. We have that C300 badge blacked out. Mercedes logo has been blacked out. And then taking a look at the back here, we have the dual exhaust. And then I love that rear splitter at the back at the bottom of the bumper there. Great looking exterior, especially on the rear. Coming around to this side, great time to tell you this is actually a certified pre-owned vehicle as well. So with the certified program, you get some great benefits like a 3-month, 5,000 kilometer limited comprehensive warranty, a 30-day or 2,500 kilometer exchange privilege, 30 days of XM satellite radio trial, roadside assistance, and more. Ask the sales team here for all those details. Up front, we have the LED performance lighting system. It's even got that right here. Look at that. Beautiful headlights. Taking a step back, look at this nice black front grille, that big Benz logo. Really nice looking aggressive bottom spoiler here on the bumper as well. Just a fantastic find. And one thing that you probably wouldn't be able to see in the video, but I'm going to show you, look at this. So this line here is actually 3M PPF paint protection film right on the front hood and even down the front fender here. So that is very well protected as well. Now let's go take a look in the back seats. So back here you can see we have this beautiful leather seating. Seats are in fantastic condition. There's no non-smoker vehicle. Nice armrest that folds down. A little bit of storage in here. Rear ventilation in the back as well. I also do love the fact that our child latch systems are very easily accessible. You don't have to dig your fingers in there in case you're putting kids in car seats in the back. Up front, look at this panoramic sunroof. Goes all the way to the back seats. It's got that little dual plano in the back. We have a power adjustable driver's headrest. The leather seating here as well. Great big bolsters on the side. Power driver's seat. Power passenger seat. You see the power passenger seat buttons there. That's one of the cool things that Mercedes does, is they put the power seat adjusters on the door. We've got heated seats and a 3-driver memory system as well. You can see the power headrest. Even, look at this, a power thigh extension as well. So if you're really tall, that's going to help get you nice and comfortable. Now hopping in, the other thing that we have that's power is a power tilt and telescopic steering wheel. So there's a little wand back here. You just adjust it in and out, and it automatically adjusts for you as well. Now on the steering wheel, let's talk about this. So this is like a haptic touch here. So in our center display, you'll see there, might as well zoom in, 104,505 kilometers. When I slide this over, right, or down, it goes through all of the different displays that are available. If I hit home, it allows me to slide, and it's not a button, you just slide, right? Just kind of like a trackball on a mouse. I don't know why I like that so much, but I think it's really nice to have that there. So lots of information can be displayed Up front, as you can see, with that, we have our cruise control settings here. We've got our radio controls, and then our controls here for our beautiful infotainment system. You can control it there, or we can control it right here through our mouse and kind of trackpad as well. So a number of different ways to do that. Kind of a unique gear shifter as well in the Mercedes. So just a stock, right? I like that. I think that's kind of cool right behind there. And then our Tiptronic shifting on the steering wheel as well. Now I'll give you a little driver's perspective of this beautiful luxury interior. Lots of nice soft touch material. Lots of nice trim. I love this wood trim. This is actually so subtle, but really, really sharp. I don't love wood trim, but this I do. I love the subtlety of it, that you think it's like a black carbon, and then you look and you're like, oh, that's actually like a wood grain. All right, so I love that. Up front, look at this fantastic looking navigation system. It's got to be one of the better looking navs that you're going to see. And then using our trackpad here, I can hit the home button and you can slide through and see all the different options that you have. Our radio, we do have XM satellite radio. We have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. Our media system phone connect. So when we go here to connect, you'll see, so there's the Apple CarPlay, the Android Auto. There's also Mercedes-Benz apps you can download. I'm sure there's a subscription service there for you. The vehicle system settings, so we have a lot of different drive modes. So when I flip that here, you'll see we have Sport Plus, we have Individual, Sport, Eco, just going through it, Comfort. And there's one here that's called Individual, and that one there, the Individual one, you can set up to your own liking to have it exactly like you would, and set up the suspension, the engine, everything through there. And it's actually a really, really nice way to kind of customize this Benz to your liking. And of course, when we put it in reverse, we have a nice clear rear view camera as well. Now, part of the safety features on this package is we have forward emergency braking with forward collision warning. We have a blind spot warning system here, nice clear rear view camera as you saw, plus many more. Ask the sales team here, ask us for the full long list of that. We've got that handy somewhere. And then we've got our dual zone climate control system here, obviously heated seats in the front, it's a Benz. Some of our other radio kind of hot buttons here in case I guess you're a passenger. Love the analog clock, just a nice little classy touch. Our cup holders, wireless charging pad, USB port, and then this trackpad that we've been mentioning before. Lots of big storage here, 2 USB ports in there as well. All right, so lots of nice, incredible features. This is just a quick taste of what you're gonna get with this Benz. And then last but not least is our Carfax 2019 Benz C300 4Matic. 1 owner, no reported accidents, 9 service records on file as well. And this package here includes also our reconditioning, the inspection for the vehicle as well. You can come and check this out all here at OMS when you come and take a look at this beautiful, beautiful Benz. And don't forget, with this car, you're gonna get free 4 complimentary oil changes on us here at OMS, just as a special thank you for doing business as part of that certified pre-owned program and our protection package, which includes coverage for those beautiful wheels, the key fobs, and anti-theft. Leaving the link of that below in this video here, you can check that out. But what you need to do now is come and visit us here at OMS. Take this out for a test drive. You're gonna absolutely love it. And hey, there's nothing cooler than parking a Benz in the driveway. So thanks so much for watching. We can't wait to see you here at OMS.